Hey y'all, welcome back. I got it right this time. Hey y'all, it's me, Carmen Sweet. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have this perm rod set look for you guys. I did it as a flat twist perm rod, so check out the video if you want to see these amazing results. Hey y'all, so my hair has already been washed. I lightly blow dry it and put it into 5 braids just to keep it stretched. So I'm trying something different this time. I'm going to try this perm rod set on stretch blow dried here instead of it being wet. So we're gonna jump into it and see how it goes. So I'm already used my braids up. I split my hair into sections, so I'm going to do a flat twist rod. So we have the back section, and then I did the middle section because I do want a part on the side, so I have the top. So I did 3 layers. So what I'm doing, I split my hair into sections. I did go in with mousse forming wrap and go ahead and get the hair a little damp, especially on the ends, and comb it through, make sure I didn't have any knots or anything. And then I'm going to flat twist down the root, and then I'm going to rod the end. I'm doing 1 rod on each section of the twist. So when you part your hair in 2 to do your twist, on each of those sections I place a rod. Can I be your bestie, yeah, your best friend? Give you 1 time to learn if I host it. We can be the best thing, yeah, the best thing. Can I be your best friend, yeah, your best friend? I can be the best thing, yeah, the best thing. We can be the best thing, yeah, the best thing. Can I be the bestie, yeah, the best thing? I can be your best friend, yeah, your best friend. Can I be your best friend, yeah? Can I be your best friend, yeah? Can I be your best friend, yeah? Best friend, best day. Can I be your best friend, yeah? Can I be your best friend, yeah? Best day, best friend, yeah. So y'all, I am so sorry. I thought I was recording this entire time, and I realized on my last twist I wasn't. So this is a close-up of exactly what I did. So as you see, I flat twist all the way down, keep it into 2 separate pieces. I pin one side away while I work on the other section. So I made sure the ends were damp, comb it through just to try to make sure I have like a smooth piece of hair. So I take my rod and I start on the ends with the regular way of rodding, and then I'm doing the twirly roddy spiral thing around the rod, and then we're going to latch it. So the same thing on the next piece of hair, comb it through, spin it on the rod, and go ahead and twirl it around the rod. And I did the same process throughout my entire head. So this is the side view and the back view. This is the view, like I said, 3 layers. You got the bottom, you have the middle, and then you have the very top. This is the other side, 3 layers. Yes, we're gonna see this go, if this is gonna work. So I'm going to sit under my dryer, my bonnet dryer, I think I sat in there for like an hour, maybe an hour and a half here and there. I came out sometime. Um, but yes, we're gonna sit in the dryer. We're gonna get going. All right, y'all. So I'm just taking these rods out, taking my time, trying not to disturb the curl pattern. So let me give you the tea about doing your rod set like this. It takes less time to dry. It's easier to me to do your part, see where you're doing. To me, it was a whole lot easier getting the style done on stretch hair versus wet hair. My hair did not take that long to dry. It was just a whole easier process. I won't do this all the time, but if I'm in a rush, like a same day type thing, I will do this versus waiting overnight or waiting for hours for my hair to dry or sitting on a dryer and then still. I mean, look at that curl, y'all. Look at that curl. But to me, this was an easier, quicker look, especially if you're in a rush, especially if you just have one day to do your hair, take the curls out, get it all done so you can be set for the next morning. I would definitely try a stretch hairstyle. However, I did notice, I'm not sure, my hair is going through something, so to me, once again, I didn't get that long used of the curls, and I don't know, because maybe I flat twist my hair down so much, so when it was time to separate, I got some frizz. But we're gonna keep trying. Like, I still think this is like one of my best raw sets I have done.
We can be the best thing, you're the best thing. Can I be your bestie, you're your best friend? I'ma be the bestie, you're the best thing. We can be the best thing, you're the best thing. Can I be your bestie, you're your best friend? I'ma be the bestie, you're the best thing. Can I be your bestie, you're your best friend? No, you never run, no me if you're breathless. Give you one time, still don't ever upset. She a my type, I know that me know. Follow this a rat, but I know no Moses. Never see a lady, me never respect.
So I did spray my hair with some oil, with some hair shine. I did rub some oils on my hand, just so when I try to separate, I don't create frizz. As you see, as I separate, I still go behind myself and still twirl the curl, trying to keep the curl pattern there. So yeah.
And none of my style, them no cheap. Yeah, your girlfriend says she want it. Yeah, come up put more with the heat. There, and this are no Chinese keep. Yeah, this are the real. Yeah, feel. Yeah, anytime them want it. Yeah, this are the real. Yeah, feel. Yeah, make your girlfriend rock to the beat. And every gangster I move them feet. Yeah, well, I saw it feet. This are the real. Yeah, feel. You can be the best thing, you're the best thing. Can I be your bestie, yeah, your best friend? Give you one time, so don't ever upset. We can be the best thing, you're the best thing. Can I be your best friend, yeah, your best friend? I can be the best thing, you're the best thing. We can be the best thing, you're the best thing. Can I be the best thing?
So one thing I like about the layers, it falls easily. You don't have to worry about so much. Like, as you unravel your twist, it's separating for you. The layers falling, you have your part already there. To me, it was very easy with the styling process. Like, the layers came completely in handy. Like, for real, it made it so much easier. It's not, well, where do I need to separate or anything. It just fall.
Best friend, yeah.
So the only thing I had to do is take my comb and just go through at the root to get rid of my parts, and that was it. Like, I went in the back a little bit just to see if I can get like a little bit more fluff volume, but y'all, when I say little to nothing, like literally little to nothing guessing work with this style. I did slick my edges back a little bit, and that was it. So as always, y'all, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.